The humble lamb leg, a Kiwi favourite since forever. We're going to show you a really easy way to cook one of these in your home oven using 3 ingredients. 1 being the lamb leg, 2 being rice bran oil, and 3 being Black Dog Barbecue lamb and veg rub. Let's get into it. Okay, first of all you want to get your oven onto 220 fan bake. Let that preheat. Okay, so we just want to give it a bit of a trim. We want to take off any sinew or any hard fat, just so we can get the rub to stick to the meat and let the salt penetrate. Okay, so what we're going to do, the fat that's still on here on the leg, we're just going to score it, which is going to help it render. So little crisscrosses. As mentioned, we're going to use rice bran oil. I'm going to use spray just because it's easy, nice and quick. The reason we're using rice bran oil because it's got a high smoke point. It won't burn like olive oil at hot temperatures. And also it's quite a subtle flavour, so you're not going to disturb the flavours of the rub or the meat as well. So we're just going to give it a good spray. Really all we're doing is trying to get that rub to set onto the meat. Because rub's got chunks of rosemary. So we want that to sit on the meat, and as we cook it, it's going to set on the meat. Okay, let's get some rub onto the meat. We want to be pretty generous. Some of this is going to come off in the cook. So you want to get it nice and even. Try and get a decent amount on there as well. And the idea of the oil is to obviously let the rub set onto the meat. It's going to help make it stick. But also with the oil it's going to help caramelise as it cooks as well. So as you can see, there's lots of chunks of rosemary in there. It's got your garlic. So the idea of the rub, you don't need to go and grab multiple ingredients. You can just grab one rub, oil, and off you go. So you don't have to worry about studding the roast with the garlic or stuffing it through rosemary. It's all in there. Paprika, smoked, a little bit of mustard, sweet paprika as well. And what we're going to do now is let that sit, let the colours come out, let the salt do its work for a little bit. And then once the oven's up to temperature, we'll get that in there. So we're going to put a bed of red onions underneath the roast. So I want to get these cut. So cut both ends off, half. Get your little fingers out of the way. And just roughly chop. Okay, onions into the tray. Hit it with a bit of oil. And this is going to be a gravy at the end, so we want to get a bit more seasoning as well. So a bit more lamb and veg, get it seasoned up. As the meat cooks, the juices are going to come down and flavour it as well. And then we'll finish it off with a few things. Okay, and leg on top of that, onto the rack. So the idea of the rack is we're going to get some air going all the way around the leg, which will help set the rub. So we're going for a medium doneness. We're going to use the meter 2 plus so we can hit our temperatures correctly. Really cool units. It's going to give me the internal temperature so we know it's done, but also keep an eye on the outside, which, you know, in an oven it should be okay, but good to know. So I want to put this in the meatiest part. Pop that in there. Let's get in the oven. So we had this preheated at 220 Celsius. Let's get the meat into the oven. Once it's in, let's drop down to 180. Okay, so our meter is telling us that we've hit 60, so at the medium temperature. We'll get that out and rest it. While it's resting, we'll make some gravy. Just a low heat. I'm going to add a tablespoon of just normal flour. Mix that through the onions. You might get a few that are a bit crusty, so just pick those out. Once we've done that, we want to add some chicken stock, so probably around about 1.5 cups, 2 cups of chicken stock. Give it a mix through. So what we're doing is we're actually deglazing the pan. To that we want some sweetness, and we want a little bit of acid as well. So basically a splash red wine vinegar. And around about a tablespoon of jam. So we're just using boysenberry. So a bit of sweetness, a bit of acid, balance it out. And cook it down, thicken it. Okay, we want to scrape this, get any bits off the bottom. And once, probably, I don't know, 10 minutes simmering, you want to get that flour to cook through. Then once you get a nice consistency, we want to strain it off. Okay, so our roast has been resting 10-15 minutes, just wrapped up in some tin foil. So let's get into this. Let's slice it. So we're going for a medium. As we get into it, just a blushing pink. So happy with that. We're going to serve this up with a gravy, with our onions, some peas and some chips. So there's our easy leg of lamb in the oven, just using black dot barbecue rub, lamb and veg,